Okay, guys, let's go. We are on lesson 11 today, and I like this calligraphy pen. I think it's kind of cool. All right, so I'm gonna get a little thinner. Okay, so today we're going to be multiplying a single digit using a area model. Okay, guys. It says draw a model similar to the one. So basically, they took 7 times 3 and 12 hundredths. So what they did is they put the 7 here, because it's the whole number they put on the side. And then they identified each one, kind of this unit form, 3 ones plus 1/10 plus 2 hundredths. And then they multiplied 7 times 3, and you got 20, so it's 21 ones. So they put 21 here. And then this is 7/10. And there's 1400s because 7 times 2 is 1400s. So now you put that together. So 21 plus 0, 0, plus 7/10 plus 0.14, 4, 8, 21. So you get 21 and 84 hundredths. Okay. Next one. So let's do the same thing on this one. So we are going to do our little So we're going to do 4 ones, decimal point plus 2/10, and then 5 hundredths. Okay, so that's 24 ones, decimal point, 12 tenths, 30 hundredths. Okay, now we got to think of this is 24 plus 12 tenths. It's not 12 hundredths, it's 12 tenths. So this is what we have to be really, really careful. Okay, 12 tenths is actually 1.2 plus 30 hundredths, or 30 hundredths. So now we got to add this up. 24.00, 1.20, 0.30. So we should get, hold on one second. Let's look at the next problem. It says Miles incorrectly gave the product of 7 times 2 and 6/10 is 14 and 42 hundredths. Use place value chart or an area model to help Miles understand his mistake. Well, basically what he did was he did 7 times 2 is 14, and he did 7 times 6 is 42. Miles. So let's figure this out. So I'm going to do 7. I'm going to use my area model. Okay. And I'm going to put 2/10. I'm sorry, 2 holes, my bad. Or ones. And I'm going to put 6/10. So this is 14 ones. And this is 42 tenths. So this is the key, knowing what that is. So 14 plus 42 tenths is actually 4 and 2/10, which is equal to 18 and 2/10. So that's Miles' mistake. All right, guys. See, look at that. Under 4 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. See ya.